This is a quick presentation on the Home Depot kitchen design packet created for metropolitan renovations. And as we can see, if we open up a new kitchen design packet form, we see all the Home Depot logos, etc. It's been restricted, so it only scrolls up and down. This makes it easier for contractors to fill this out. And if we go to a field, we would just press in the field, type in whatever we need to, and tab to the next field. As before, we can actually select checkboxes, etc. Come on. There we go. And we would just continue and fill out the rest of the form. On the second page, we have an example where we have height, width, and depth, which are going to be numeric fields. If we press in a numeric field, it can just be a number. It'll bring up a number keypad, so we type in the value, 54 inches, etc. If we go over to a field requiring full text, we would get the regular keyboard, etc. We still have the bitmaps associated with it. So this is exactly the design packet that Home Depot uses. When we scroll down, we can actually see everything. If we go to the next page, we have other fields. We could actually type these in as well. They'd be numeric fields, etc. And then when we get to the last page, we're going to have our drawing engine. And we'll see that this is actually very clean. This page is, we can actually pan and zoom as much as we'd like to. We'll go ahead and we'll set the dimensions to 10 feet. And we just drop on our dimensions as we measure out around. There's a lot of new improvements. So say, for example, we wanted to translate this line over 1 foot. What we could do is just grab that line, select the dimension or the direction we want to offset it, put in the distance, and then hit offset. And we'll see that it offset at 1 foot. We could actually do this down to a 1/16 of an inch if we wanted to. Other aspects that are available in GraphPad now is the ability to sign a document. We'll go back to, I guess, when the page is over. Actually, no. If we open up a different page, and what we'll do in this case is show the map feature, which is currently under development. If we press the map view, it's going to actually show all the appointments. It'll go out and download the appointments for a particular contractor. And if we go around, we'd actually be able to see the various different appointments. So in this case, we're going to go to his 11:15 appointment. We could bring up the customer information. And this would be integration work that had to be done. And then now when we open a form, and we'll open an work and proposal, we'll see that that information has been brought down and populated the form in the appropriate location. So we've got Andy Bartholomew is a person that we're visiting. We have all the customer information, so all these fields have been populated for us, billing address, etc. It's already on the server in this way that the contractor doesn't have to actually fill this information out. He would then go through, he would have as many drawing pages as he needs. He can actually still do his drawing. We'd see we still have this nice smooth performance. Set back to 10 feet, there we go. We still have the capabilities that are unique to GraphPad, so we have this selection area where we can move things. We could have libraries of symbols, and we'll just show some Orkin symbols so they're pests. We just grab a particular symbol and drop it in the drawing, etc. As we tab through, another feature that we'd see is we can actually sign documents. So we'll go to the final page in this Orkin form. They've got a signature block for the customer to sign, and we just select in the field and have the customer actually put in a signature and to be part of the document. At the end of this, we could actually just send this off. So the idea is that not only do we have integration so that your appointments, you'd actually be able to see them on the iPad in the same application, you would also be able to bring in all that additional information associated with it, so the contractor doesn't have to fill all this stuff out. So if the appointment had notes or something like that associated with it, it would automatically be brought in. And that's my presentation. Some of this is still under development, but this shows the general state of where GraphPad is, shows how this would integrate with the Home Depot kitchen design forms, and hopefully this is something that Metropolitan Renovations likes and would like to continue on with. Thank you very much.